So this is the newest project. The name is Arishadvarga-Guardian. This is a cybersecurity application for a cybersecurity project, and as you can see, this is a total application. It can be run on Windows and it can be run on Linux also. It supports both of these platforms. And if you can see, these are all the. This is the UI of the application and system health and everything. This has been lively tracked, and nothing is fake over here. So that's something which I can give you. And recent alerts, and you can see active sessions. This is the SSH TTY. It's basically like the terminal which is active right now. That's it. Nothing more than that. And open security terminal opens up the terminal so that it gets updated information, and this is how your UI basically changes after that. And when you come into this control room, you can see what are the active sessions and what are the processes also. You don't have to go to your task manager or something. You can just come over into this application of ours, and in a very nice UI, you get all the processes being mentioned over here and all the kind of file changes happening which we don't see with our eyes, but you do know that this is happening in the background and everything is actually getting updated. And these are all the connections through this internet. My laptop is currently connected, and all these are the connections which are coming and going through this laptop. And this is because it's for the admins who control the internet and who have websites running on their internet. They can see what are the compromises which are happening, and you can see isolating a server, and that can be done if they have a server running. And let's just say there are some other admin privileges, and if they want to remove it, they can remove it. There's nothing happening right now, so it's not something of that big of a problem. And these are all the action logs also, they are here. And these are attributions. So we do know that the CrowdStrike kind of provides with some of the data. Over here it's with what are the, like you can see ISP provider, the cloud provider, who are they, and this is the primary IP, these are related IPs. Tool fingerprinting, Cobalt Strike, Minimax. So it's like there are different kind of attacks which basically happen on devices, and our application can find it. Deception. So let's just say that there are some students who are trying to try different kinds of applications, or not only students, there are someone who is trying to hack into your system. You can create different traps, fake admin panel traps. Yes, you can create those traps, and you can see them also, the canary tokens, the trap activity. So let's just say that you create a new credentials Excel sheet, and then you have all the different kind of tokenizations, and you just keep it. So if someone opens it, and then you just know that they opened it, and like that. And this is the forensics, automated forensic and evidence pack. So everyone who comes to this internet, and everything gets recorded, and then everything is actually being saved over here, and this can be exported into PDFs and or into zip bundles. And then we have our social engineering tools, because we know that there are several different types of emails which you are receiving. You don't have to go out of this platform, because you are a system admin, you get emails, and you can just come into our application, check for a specific email, and let's just say password reset required, supported the Microsoft security.com. We can't see the very thing, but sometimes see it's not O but it's a 0, and these are something which our AI can catch. And this is our malware. Over here we have integrated ClamAV, which is our open source antivirus, and this actually works. This is not a fake animation. This actually works. There is ClamAV which is running in the background, and it does actually scan all your files. It's a quick scan, so it doesn't go to all the different folders, but instead it focuses on the temporary and the usage of RAM. Like, there are other applications which use RAM and then they try to do it. So this is it. You can see the scanner output also here. This is your terminal output, so you don't have to worry about this. And these are the user scans and this is the system scans. It takes a lot of time, the user scan. And then we have our guidance. So see, there are people from so and so session SSH trying to into this network, and you just have our internet here. You can ask what is SSH, because you might just not know what that is, right? And our AI is going to respond to you. You can see the AI has responded, and how to terminate and all that is also over here, and it happens in a very quick manner. And one more thing is for the tool integration layer. In the tool integration, you can actually launch all this burp suits, autopsy, SQL map, Kesmet, Hashset, and Metasploit, and all this, and ClamAV. And if you see it properly, let's just say I click launch, it actually launches my terminal, and that's how it works. And for documents, you can see all the documents get loaded here. And if you want to learn about Wireshark documents also open. The same for Nmap and everything. You can learn from the documentations and then hit, or else you can just ask our AI tool. But let's just say that you want to unlock the other tools. The Metasploit is locked because it's an offensive tool which requires a verification of who you are, and that happens through our robust AI system also. And one more thing is, you have to give your government ID also for the verification and the validation. It's me submitting my driving license, and that has to get verified, and only then you will be allowed. And this is a small quiz which you have to know, because if you are an actual person who knows offensive tools, you will be able to understand and answer this. What is the purpose of red teaming? And only then you get access to running this. John the Ripper, these are not really installed right now, or else they will work. And I'll still do it and copy the output. This output indicates that security tool you attempted to run failed to start because of the missing components. So you can see that these are the issues. You have to install it, and this is an AI reply. So this is our application. Thanks guys.